Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be setting up the month of May in my planner, and I've got some washi tape here I'm going to use, as well as some sticker books that I pulled from, and this wax paper spread layout. And I ran out of Tombow, so I did not get a chance to stick this page down before I ran out. Hopefully I'll get to that soon. Okay, so May is my birthday month, and so I'm gonna just jump right in and start laying things down. First one is this little balloon piece that I kind of put together with different balloons from the Happy Hostess sticker book. Had a lot of cute little like party stuff, and I thought that would be really fun for my birthday month. I'm gonna go ahead and start laying out a few things. I'm covering up the holidays because I wanted to add in these little holiday stickers. I thought it just kind of had the right feel for this spread. When you see the other text I'll be putting around, it all kind of has the same look and feel, so I thought that would be good on this spread. And I am whiting out the lines at the top here for a little place to put some more decor. And as that dries, I'll start laying in some more of the decor around the spread. Again, using balloons from that Happy Hostess sticker book. I just really like how they're transparent and they can be layered. They're clear stickers. It worked really well with the spread I have laid out here. And on the days where I have somebody that I know having a birthday, I'm laying a black colorful box and a little banner on those days just so I can mark down their birthdays. And in May, it's also the Happy Planner Squad open application, so I'm marking those days off too with those two boxes that you see there for when they open and when they close. Wednesday the 20th is my actual birthday, so I'm just kind of denoting that and using again some balloons to highlight it. And I wanted to make sure that that pink one looked right, so I'm going to try to move it in here and get it set. And one more set of balloons. I'm just going to go ahead and lay those guys in just so that they're ready to go. And I'll start laying in that main decor there in those top boxes. So I grabbed these Cel-A-Brates from that Happy Hostess sticker book as well, so that was nice. And then they had some little tiny confetti that I wanted to use but didn't quite seem right. The proportion wasn't right for putting it all over the place, so I decided last minute to just put it along the bottom of those boxes. I originally was going to try to wrap it around the text and have the boxes kind of filled with confetti, but they're in little clumps and the confetti is so small, I didn't think that it was looking how I wanted it to. Wasn't enough spaciousness between the confetti, and then cutting it up would have been a little bit of a chore because they're so tiny. So I think just along the bottom, able to fill in all the bottom with it worked much better than trying to layer it in between the words. So I'm just doing that now, putting those in. A little bit of cutting just to get it around that bigger word, celebrate. And now we're getting to the fun part. I decided to do a washi layer cake. I would have gone out and got some new washi for this just because I really wanted to do this, but obviously it's hard to get out and look at stuff and see what's available, so I just decided to work with what I had. I have this Serendipity tape that is a really solid green, and I thought that would work really well. I couldn't find a confetti washi that I had in my stash that would work, so I'm using the confetti stickers from the Happy Hostess sticker book. It had a few strips that you're seeing there, and I thought that would work as layering, but I wanted to make sure you saw the edges, so I was taking my highlighter there and just kind of brushing the edges a little bit so that they stood out from the white paper. And now I'm drawing in a little cake stand so that it looks even more like a cake, and I'm using my Friction fine liner pen, which worked out great because I was obviously making a lot of mistakes, but it's also pretty light. As you can see, the ink on those is a little bit more gray than black. It's just the nature of the erasable ink. So once I kind of got the outline penciled in with the fine liner, I decided to go ahead and retrace it with my Papermate Flair pen. And I'm just putting in some candles to kind of sell the cake theme there. And I think I'll do a little bit of coloring too, just to make it stand out a bit more. And I put it on an angle too. I thought that made it look a little cuter than just putting it upright. Just a little bit of off-centeredness gives a little more interest. And now I'm trimming out the center section so that I can put it back in my planner. And once I'm done with that, you guys, we will be done. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch, and think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Bye.